Normally, from any software, you will get barcode label from only one place, and there is so many limitations are there. But in retail software, you will get barcode label from multiple locations for multiple requirements. 4 or 5 places you will get barcode labels. Let me show you. Number one, normally the barcode label which you are printing, barcode here. Here you will get general barcode, and you can select some products over here like that, and you can go to preview directly. So this is a barcode label preview. You can directly print it. And you will get so many other designs. There, see, look at that. So many designs are there. So many. This is all for jewelry types. Jewelry. Like this QR code also directly you can create from this. And let me apply this QR code. Just apply and preview. See this QR code barcode label. So beautiful technology. Directly you can create QR code barcode or normal 1D barcode from retail radio. This is the first place you are getting barcode. And let me go to the another one. Like when you are adding a product in Gorilla, for example, click on new, apply for example, SHIRT, enter, and here itself you can put a price over here. For example, 300 rupees, enter. See the barcode label directly. You can change even the design, whatever it is, you can change it. This is the second location. And go to the add product smart, where you are adding your products with including stock. Click on the new button, and for example, t-shirt, enter, for example, purchase price, example, 200 rupees. And opening stock, for example, 100 pieces. And MRP, for example, 500, and retail price are 450. Example, enter, that's it. And those products, it will come in the top. You can create barcode label directly here. See? This one also you can change the the layout, whatever it is, the size. This is 2 by 1 inch by standard it is coming. Maybe you need a smaller size to 1 inch by 1 inch or 2 inch by 2 inch, whatever it is, you can customize it. See, the MRP is 500, 450 is the sale price. This all you can print through your barcode label printer and you can use it. You can fix it on your products. Next one, fourth one you are going to see in the purchase entry. Go to the purchase entry and select one supplier over here. Select one supplier. Purchase some multiple products like, for example, this product I am purchasing 2 pieces. Look at the quantity. It's very important, 2 pieces. And another product, pineapple, example, 3 pieces. Look at the quantity. Very important, the quantity you are looking. Both came here. See, these 2 products we purchased. One is 2 pieces, another one is 3 pieces. I'm going to save it. Save it, successfully saved, and click on barcode. Directly barcode came, directly. And how many pieces it will print based on the purchase quantity. That's it. In that purchase entry, how many products are there, that particular barcode will print. And here again, you will get a facility to change the design. Like go to the preview. You can directly print it to your barcode label printer. And you can easily scan and sell the products. So you will get barcode labels in multiple locations. And finally, one more barcode. The weighing machine barcode, reverse barcoding technology. You go to the Rubik's sales panel over here, Rubik's sales panel. Click on any product. For example, for this particular plastic clip, you need a barcode label. Not plastic clip, sorry. It's for the loose products. For example, pineapple. Pineapple, you need a barcode label based on the weight. You can connect your live weighing machine. Last time I make the separate video for that. For example, when you are connecting live weighing machine, you will get the exact weight directly here. Now I am just typing the weight over here. For that, repacking barcode. Click on that, and here I am changing the quantity. For example, 1.8, whatever it is, and click on that products pineapple. Now look at this. What is that? 1.8 kg weight, and MRP is it's a sample MRP price. Not pineapple will not get this much price, 2,014 rupees. Based on this weight, what is the price, and what is the expiry date, or expiry time, everything. Expiry date you can mention here from the packing date. How many days you are putting here? For example, you putting 3 days. Example. You are putting 3 days, and the weight is again same still, and you are getting on pineapple. Click on that. See the expiry dates is changing accordingly. See, now it came 12th, and price. See the timing, everything. Now and today is in my computer is 9th exactly. So these are the features you are getting in a Retail Daddy, and you can imagine from how many places you can create your barcode label. Amazing. This all we made to boost your sales or simplify your sales, like that, to make your life easy. And that is a Retail Daddy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.